Question on circle geometry. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. The side AB is produced to E. Angle ACE is equal to 49 and CB is 68 degrees. Calculate the interior angle AOC, II angle BOC. Out of BOC, we need to extend the line between A, M, B, and O. That's OB. Solving hint of question 1. We solve for ABC using the sum of angles on a straight line. Then next, we use the value of ABC to solve for AOC reflex, with the reason angle on the circumference is double the opposite angles at the center. When we say AOC, meaning reflex, the reflex means angle that is more than 180. Then thirdly, finally, we solve the interior angle AOC using AOC reflex through the sum of angles at a point. ABC plus 68 equal to 180, sum of angles on the straight line. Then we have ABC equal to 180 minus 68, which is 112 degrees. Then we'll solve for AOC reflex, which is times 2 of ABC. So that will be times 2 times 112, which is 224 degrees. Then we'll get the angle AOC interior using the sum of angles at a point. 360 minus 224, we have 136. That's it for question 1. Question 2. For us to solve for BOC, we'll need to get the value of OCA and draw a line to OB to form a triangle BOC. Remember that the angle at C and the angle at A, they are equal and the same because they are radius of the circle. So it's an isosceles triangle. They are equal. So OCA is equal to CAO. So when we solve, we have OCA to be 22. So let's now draw a line to join OB. Now we have another isosceles triangle. So OC and OB are equal because they are lines of radius of the circle. So if that is the case, that means the angle at C and the angle at B will be equal. So when we've gotten our OCA to be 22, we'll add it to 49 to give us 71. That means the angle at B is also 71. So for us to get BOC, we have 180 minus 2 times 71, which is 38. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Follow my page on Facebook